Hi, Chef Dagan here in the Beef What's What's in our Culinary Center, funded by the Beef Checkoff. If you're looking for bold, Korean-inspired flavors, this American Heart Association approved recipe is for you. First, we're gonna make our rub. We have some cornstarch, add some crispiness to the outside. We got some salt, and we got some black pepper. We're just gonna go ahead and mix that up. Okay, this recipe is for an air fryer, so I like to spray the exterior of the meat before we put it into the air fryer, just to make sure it gets that nice crispy exterior as it's cooking. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and rub this in as best we can so we get it nice and crispy in our air fryer that's preheated right now. Try to push it all in there, and then we're gonna pop it in the air fryer. We're gonna go ahead and pop this in there. This has a presetting. We're gonna set it for about 20 minutes. While that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce. And then when this thing gets out of here and rested, we're gonna slice it, add it in our sauce, make a little slaw. This is a great, simple recipe. Okay, so I have some diced sweet potatoes here. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, and we're gonna go back here to Chef Mike, and we're gonna pop it in for about 6 minutes on high until these are tender. We're gonna go ahead and make our sauce while our sweet potatoes are in the microwave and our flank steak is in the air fryer. We have some rice wine vinegar. We're not using soy with this recipe. You can. We have a soy substitute here. It's coconut aminos. This is a gluten-free alternative that adds a ton of flavor. We have some sesame. We're gonna add some chopped up dates for some sweetness. We have some Korean chili flakes here. We're gonna throw in some garlic, some ginger, and some onions. And then we're just gonna go ahead and blend all this together. All right, our sauce is nice and smooth. We're gonna go ahead and mix our slaw next. We have some Napa cabbage, some shredded carrots. I got some chopped up kimchi, and just a little bit of lime juice. And we're just gonna mix that all together. You can make this a day in advance if you like. We're just gonna set this aside, and our meat is almost ready. Our flank steak is perfect. We're gonna pull it out of the air fryer and allow it just to rest for a few. We're gonna go grab our sweet potatoes from Chef Mike back here. So these are nice and steamed. We're just gonna add half this sauce. I'm gonna save a little bit to dress the plate up. Okay, this is our favorite time, is the plate up, okay? And slicing of the meat. So it's nice and rested. So we're gonna make sure we go kind of against the grain here. I like to go as thin as possible, just to help with that tenderness. So you kind of see it's got a crispy exterior, interior looks really good. We're just gonna go ahead and give this a few slices. There we go, okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and use our sweet potatoes dressed in our sauce. Plate that up. Look at that, smell is great. You can smell the vinegar and the sweetness from the dates. Go ahead and give it a few more slices of this roast. All right. Put a little bit of that on there. It looks delicious, nice and juicy. We got that. We're gonna add just a little bit of our Napa cabbage slaw here. That looks like a great meal. And I'm just gonna finish with a little bit of sauce on the plate just to dress it up. And then add just a little sesame seed for garnish. A couple little sprigs of cilantro, and there you have it. Korean air fryer beef, convenient, delicious, and an American Heart Association approved recipe. When you try this recipe, please leave comments below. We'd love to hear from you, see how it turned out. If you're looking for more inspiration and recipes, go to beefwhat'sforDinner.com, and we'll see you at the next one.